That's right, Ben. So that's the big question. What would permanent daylight saving time actually look like here in central Georgia? Well, if Congress were to make daylight saving time permanent, the weather itself wouldn't change, but the clock time attached to the weather would. Take a look here at this map. The purple shading shows just how late winter sunrises will become across the country here in central Georgia. But here in Georgia during the winter, will push sunrises into the 8 o'clock hour with Christmas morning, while with sunrise is occurring around 8:30. There's the graphics as they do load in here. So let's take a look at what we experience here today. So on Thanksgiving morning, the sun comes up around 7:15 as the graphics do continue to load in here. And well, on Christmas morning, it rises around 7:35. Sunset also comes a little earlier, right around 5:30 in the evening. Now, if you take a look at our spring and summer holidays like Easter and the 4th of July, there really isn't much of a difference. That's because we've already observed daylight saving time during those months. Now, here's what would change. You take a look on the screen. Thanksgiving sunrise would shift to about 8:15, while Christmas morning wouldn't see sunrise until around 8:35. The trade-off being is that sunset would also move about an hour later to around 6:30 in the evening. That means holiday mornings would stay darker longer. You'd have a chance to get out and get a jump start on the early holiday travel and even Christmas morning could all begin before the sun actually does come up. But on the other side of the day, you'd have more daylight for Thanksgiving football and, well, outdoor holiday gatherings.